about to double up, fucking with double up.
Whoa, let's go. Let's go. Whoa. Whoa. 5 ill. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
How about the double? I fuckin' with double up. I raised the coupe and I went bought another car.
Pull over here to sit shot like a shooting star. Number 8, I want smoke like a hookah bar.
I hit the block, hit the trap, and I get it out from me. That pack, swear to God, I ain't running off. He throw the bomb and I catch it like random off.
Bitch, I'm a boss, yeah, they treat me like Ricky Rock. Just hit them up in the gym, making gagging call. Might buy a rape and pull up with the ceiling out. I see the hate in they face, know it's killing y'all.
Might catch your body, cause I like to sell it raw. Stay in the kitchen, might hit it with metal talk. I like to trap like it's no tomorrow. Matter of fact, I'm finna go see the plug tomorrow.
$500,000 worth of jewelry on no pendant. Bitch want me to come over and pin it. I don't leave the house without my Cindy. Please like him, don't care about the critic. 10mm shoot like Mike Biddy. Then a little bitch, but she act like she Christian. When I wake up, it's a money making mission. Talk about money, then zip it. Money talking right now, need to listen. Niggas talk too much, I keep my distance. Niggas talking, got some more than bitches. I be stacking and flipping my digits. Nigga play light 'em up like an incense. Please out who your main bitch been with. Please out be the one get your wig split. Please out be the one get your man's hit. Please out switch his watch like Ben 10. Please out don't give a fuck about now, nigga. Please out ain't loving these hoes. Please out probably sold his soul. Please out not a hit, it's a goal. Please out not your average Joe. Why fuck did you buy 2 rolls? Low key, I'm working on 3. I was 14, mouth full of gold. Me and Lil Robert smoking OG. 8th grade, 380, y'all chrome. And I kept that bitch on me. Cutthroat, I serve my auntie. GLOC kids only one of me.
I keep a Glock as they aim. I shoot that bitch till it's empty. I drink that cup till it's empty. I pay somebody to go get it.
Drag with the 100, them titties. Back on me full of hundreds and 50s. Track around the shoes on the block and Balenciaga. I go to church and Dior like a Christian. He don't want smoke, he want clap, just attention. Out in my back, keep my name out your mentions. Instead of magging my gun for the tension. Hollow tips burn his head like a British.
Hundreds of thousands and 20s. I like to count it out, yeah, when I'm boring. Don't do the tuss, I like to walk. Whenever I pour it, I drink every drop. Jump in the drop, that's a double up. We in the trap like a seminar. Black diamonds on me, that's 101. I sold it back, bought another one. Come make it the course, so I went on the run. She give me hit one, smoking me one. Bitch, I'm a son of a hustler. I caught a shot at my young niggas coming.
Shoot out the rip, no, I ain't come to tuss. Diamond, they shine water wet like a bubble. Switch on the Glock, make a run and take cover. Say this your dog, we gon' step on your brother. I'm in the street, not the industry. My keep telling me I need to get it together. No, we ain't squash, be going to kill the street. Say that they riding the y'all all down together. Grab 2 felonies, highlights and Texas. Be catch us the ops in his ass to the devil. Scarr ain't my motor, the police can't catch you. Hand on the Glock with my foot on the pedal.
Scarr ain't my motor, the police can't catch you. Hand on the Glock with my foot on the pedal.